Hey there everyone, today we're going to go through deep cleaning some carpets. So we're going to start off actually vacuuming out the carpet with my DeWalt wet and dry vacuum. We're going to go all over, just getting rid of the initial and debris. Once I've gone over everything, I'm just going to use my drill brush with the blue drill brush attachment on just to agitate anything and flick anything off. If you zoom in super close, you'll be able to see little bits flying off. And now once I'm happy with that, I'm just going to use my fabric cleaner and spray this all over the mat. I'm then going to use my white drill brush head just to agitate this in. You can see it starting to foam up a little bit, so we know that the agitation is working. I'm just going to pick up my steamer once I untangle it all, and we're just going to steam the carpet next. So I've wrapped the microfiber cloth around the head of the steamer. I'm just going to steam the entire carpet. As you can see, the lines on there, that's lifting out a lot of dirt. Once I'm happy that it's all steamed, I'm then going to grab my drill brush once again, and this is just going to flick off the top layer of moisture. And then back to my wet and dry vacuum. See, it makes no difference. It's a dry, wet and dry vacuum, so you can just vacuum away. I'm just picking out all of the embedded moisture in there after I use the fabric cleaner and steamer. We're now using the drill brush to make the fibres of the carpet all face the same way, ready to add our stripes in a moment. And adding stripes is super easy. Just get a stiff brush, take your time, and nice straight lines back and forth. It's really not too difficult. Anyone can do it. It just adds that little extra detail and touch for the customer, or for yourself if you just like it. So this was a basic stripes I did, just forwards and backwards. You can do cross hatch, you can do whatever you want. Just going to give it a quick shake off, put it back down, and we're all done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.